Hi everybody, sanibonani. Welcome to my channel. Igama lami Ntando Mdletshe, and on this channel sibuka ama-reality shows ethu la eMzansi bese siza la sokwenza ama-reviews or ama-recaps. Siyaphinda ke sikhulume ngama celebrities kanye nama-YouTubers ethu ala eMzansi. Angazi ke noma labantu esokhuluma ngabo ama-celebrities yini, kodwa ke ama-influencers ethu ala eSouth Africa and adumile kakhulu, so angazi noma sothi ama-celebrities yini. Anyway, you guys, these two influencers are apparently taking each other to court. It's another defamation case in the influencer hood. Okay, there is no friendship in influencer hood. You do things with somebody, they record it, and then one day you have a fight with the person, they go on a live and they tell all your business, and then you get upset about it and you go and you go to court to say no, you are not supposed to tell that much. Okay, anyway, the article came from Sunday World. It's written by Mdletshe on the 11th of December 2022. It says influencers take sex for cash claims to court. Guys, I am realizing actually that I do not know how okay, let me not say but I thought that's what these girls that are like influencers / slay queens really they do. It's like they get with men and then they get money from those transactions. I thought that's what they do, so I wouldn't think that if somebody says that you're doing that, then you will be like, no, I don't do that, and I'm actually going to take you to court for saying that. So I'm learning something today, that that's not actually what they do. The stage has been set for what promises to be a formidable battle as a social media influencers allegations that her fellow social media influencer Tebogo Thobejane has, among other allegations, slept with the top ANC politicians are now destined to be tested in the court of law. Sunday World can today reveal that Inno Morolong has filed papers in the Johannesburg High Court in which she declares that she will defend the allegations she made against Thobejane. Thobejane, who played Belinda on the SABC2's flagship soapy Mubango, filed a R500,000 defamation lawsuit against Morolong in the same court 3 months ago. I do wonder, you guys, when you are suing somebody, how do you decide on the amount? Because I would think that if you're still going to pay for their lawyer and all of that, that 500,000 is not a lot of money. So I wonder how they decide how much you are able or you qualify to sue for when you are suing a person for defamation, because I don't think that there is a lot of money. In the papers which we have seen, Thobejane alleges Morolong defamed her when she took to social media and alleged that she was a prostitute who slept with high-profile ruling party politician. Okay, so it's not a lot of politicians. She just claimed that she slept with one. Okay, but that's still an issue if she didn't sleep with that politician. Okay, so Thobejane also said Morolong accused her of being a loose woman who uses her body to make money, and that she had slept with more than 20 other men without protection. Morolong alleges Thobejane enjoyed unprotected sex with the same circle of men and also slept with her friends in exchange for money to buy bracelets. Okay, she's very specific that the money was used to buy bracelets. Okay, that sounds like somebody that actually has seen these bracelets being bought. Otherwise, I mean, I would think that maybe to buy, someone would say, and in exchange for money to buy bags, there would be more common, or to buy shoes. For her to be as specific as to buy bracelets, it sounds like somebody that was there when that happened. I'm just saying. The aggrieved Thobejane said Morolong's words were hurtful, defamatory, and were understood by viewers of the video to mean that she was a woman of loose morals and a hooker. Okay, and the defendant's statements are malicious and violated the dignity of the plaintiff, which the plaintiff is entitled to protect, since it is not true that the plaintiff is a prostitute, reads the papers. Thobejane said when her lawyers wrote Morolong a letter in March 25 demanding that she removes the defamatory post within 24 hours and issue an unconditional apology, she refused. Honestly, guys, I think people really like going to court, because I think that if I could avoid going to court with a simple apology, I'm like apologizing. I would definitely just apologize so that I can avoid going to court, because going to court is going to take your time, it's going to take your money. Why would you want to go to court? You know, so if somebody says, listen, this can all go away if you just apologize, I would just opt to apologize, even if I do not understand why I'm apologizing. But I would just write the statement that you want me to say, and I will say it, you know. So I don't understand, you guys, why you would want to waste your time with court dates and all, and the stress and all of that. Instead, she took to her Instagram and posted a video in which she asked, for what? For saying the truth. Why must I apologize to you? I will never. You can do the worst you can think of, but I will never apologize to you, Sissy. Read the court papers. Guys, isn't it Shoguma live? One day they will end up in court papers. This is what she said on her life. It's now in court papers, because obviously now this is like a case. Okay. Later that evening, Morolong alleged in a live video that Thobejane has slept with a popular politician but did not reveal his name. Thobejane said one of their friends sent Morolong a WhatsApp message and implored her to refrain from attacking her. Instead, Morolong made more allegations that the actress had also slept with the boyfriend of one of the women named Babalo. She also claimed Thobejane had thrown drug parties. Thobejane said Morolong did not have evidence to support her defamatory allegations, which have caused serious financial harm in her business as a social media influencer, whereas the plaintiff praised for judgment as follows: payment of the amount of 500,000. Like I said, I feel like it's not a lot of money, but I don't know much about the law. Maybe that is how much it's supposed to be. But in the notice to defend the lawsuits, her lawyer Tiha Debe attorneys said Morolong would defend her allegations. Kindly take note that the defendant hereby gives notice for her intention to defend the above matter. Reads the papers. So I guess she's not going to apologize anytime soon, because she doesn't think that there's anything to apologize for. Anyway, Inno doesn't look like or sound like somebody that easily apologizes for anything, but I still wouldn't understand why you would want to spend your money on a lawyer just to prove that somebody might be a prostitute. What are you going to gain from that? You know, what are you going to gain from it? Just apologize and move on with your life. But yeah, that's not what she does. Anyway, that is the story, you guys. Another defamation case. There is another defamation case. But we are patiently waiting. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegiona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ntando.